said, how do I create a profile of this? So we can go turn off my animation, right, and get this to refresh here. It's been sitting there running all for the last hour or two. But we're going to go and create a line across that. Let me just see if I can turn that flood result off. Go over to profile plots, say draw profile line. You can just draw a line across here, like a cross-section line. It'll default a name for you. Just hit apply. Go and close that. Now you can double click on that line. And it brings up a plot. And you can look at, now you have to make the dialog a little bit bigger because it's cut off there. But we can say we look at flood depth or discharge flux, or we can look at shear stress. Here's our shear stress velocity profile through there. So you can see all this. And then you can also, you can print this out to a, you can also have a time series. And this is steady state, right? So initially, I don't know where that number, maybe I drew the line backwards. So if I draw the line the other way, it's positive values. So, didn't understand that. So we want to draw right to left, looking in a downstream direction. Of course, I drew it the backwards way, right? I wonder if I can reverse it. Let's see, reverse, no. But I can do it this way, right? I could press function key F4. Can I do that? Let's grab that. Function key F4. We can swap it this way, right? We can go and grab that. Reverse it the other way, and let's try it this way. Double click on it, and now we'll look at, what was I looking at? Flow, right? Time series flow. There we go. Now we got a positive value in there. So it took a little few minutes there. These are, I don't know if those are hours. So it took about an hour to initialize that model. A couple hours. Looks like 2 hours maybe. So you can look at that. So you can try that. You can also go and place a node somewhere. So you go under where it says time series plot. You say draw time series node. Click on the draw button. Just click something, let's say right here. Gives it apply. You can see the little node there. Double click on the node. And you can see our water shift elevation. You can see our flood depth. You can see the velocity at that point. It's steady state, so it's not that interesting. But if you looked at a time series, you're going to actually see that there. So you can try that out. Thanks for bringing that to my attention, Jason. I forgot that.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.